I see you've understood the concept well, Tiger. So, are you up for a hike in the challenge?
A level up, you mean? Well, you show me how it's done.
That's the spirit. Let's work out the addition of decimals with carryover. Addition of decimals with carryover. Introduction. What is 0.7 plus 0.5? We write the numbers in the place value chart. We write 0.7 as 0 ones and 7 tenths, and 0.5 as 0 ones and 5 tenths. When the sum is greater or equal to 10, the extra digit is taken to the left column. This is called carryover. Now we add the tenths column. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. We cannot have two digits, so we move the 1 to the ones place. This is called carryover. We place the decimal point. We add the ones column. We add the carryover 1 with 0 and 0. This equals to 1. The answer is 1.2. So 0.7 plus 0.5 is equal to 1.2.
That was a piece of cake.
I'm happy to see you have understood well and are able to meet the challenges.